This is nothing but a system of expulsion of intellectuals. That's what I feel.
Hello. Oh, hi, dear.
Hello. Hi, Dad. Yeah, how was your day? Mine was okay. I'm leaving now. Alright, Dad, just ask Mom not to cook anything for dinner today.
Oh, party?
Yeah, listen to me. I'm taking all of you out for dinner today. Yeah.
And what's the occasion?
Well, Dad, it's a secret.
Oh, it's a secret. Okay, dear. Don't worry, we will be there for the party. Bye.
Who is it?
Our son Arjun is inviting us for a party.
And what is the secret?
A secret is a secret.
I wonder what it is.
A secret is a secret. You woman, you can neither digest a secret nor can you wait for it to be revealed.
Is it his second London posting? He's looking forward to it, Geeta, he's quite serious about her,
A woman and a secret can't help. But I can help myself to the secret. Dr. Meera, can I smoke? So Arjun, what are we celebrating today?
Mom, Dad, guess what? I'm promoted.
Oh,
Wow, congrats.
that's good news.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, so now a big boss, a big cabin, big salary. Yeah, boss. Maza aa gaya.
So, Arjun, does this mean you're ready to settle down?
No, Mom. Actually, Mom, this promotion was just to prove myself, not to settle down.
Then what's your plan, dear?
Basically, Dad, I want to get into research. That's what I'm planning to do.
Okay, in that case, you must go for IIT.
You see, that's the point, Bob. I don't want to do it in India.
I have done my PhD from Bombay IIT and I have good experience.
You're right, Dad, but the thing is, the research done here is not converted into business or technology. Tell me any of the recent technologies that are doing good in India, which are globally accepted. And please don't tell me we have invented zero. Actually, whatever we're doing these days is a big zero.
What do you think? Why this is happening? What are the reasons for this?
The reason is that the research institutes over here are just not paid well. They don't have funds. Whereas the research institutes over there, they are paid well. Faculties are paid well. You see the case with the IIT faculty these days. I've heard an IIT faculty and a teacher teaching commerce in any suburban college, they're paid on par. Poor fellows, I feel bad for the PG faculty. They are either getting into business or going abroad. They're left with no option, you see. What do you call this? Dad, this is nothing but a system of expulsion of intellectuals. That's what I feel.
I don't believe it. In such a short time, you've developed so much of resentment and revulsion to the system.
Not recently, Mom. You see, this has developed over the time about every aspect of the life over here. I feel the government systems and the entire country for that matter, they're all eroded. Eroded by 3 C's: corruption, cash and caste. You either support corruption, poor in cash, and if those two don't help you, you play your caste card. On top of these 3 C's, the country is dilapidated by 3 P's: population, pollution and politicians. Neither of them are helping them.
But son, Running away is not a solution.
You don't get my point, Dad. You see, when the house is burning, you've got to run out first and then douse the fire. I'm doing exactly the same. I mean, I'm going away from here. That doesn't mean I'm running away. I'm just going out of this sinking ship.
I see your point. This country doesn't want artists, intellectuals. It only wants builders, scamsters.
But Sunny, if I remember, you wanted to do business here. What happened to that?
Definitely that, but right now it's not on my mind. Currently it's only the research thing I'm thinking of. If I do that, then probably I'll think about business. You see, if I start doing a business right now, I would definitely mint money. In India, it's like, it doesn't take you any effort to cheat people. But I want to do something really genuine. Doing something genuine is really difficult over here.
Oh, where are you going? America or London? That's the second home of your company.
None of them. I'm planning to go to Germany.
Germany? But why Germany?
Because they are very genuine and true people, I feel. Not like America or England, continuously busy with their publicity stunts. Doesn't suit me. If I plan, I can give you a lecture of 2 hours, why am I choosing Germany. But I can say that the whole world believes blindly when it comes to the German technology. Because they have this philanthropic attitude when they are doing any research. They always think the well-being of mankind first. Look at us, our politicians are just pushing the nuclear plant down our throats. In Germany, after the Fukushima mishap, those were the first to shut down the nuclear plants.
Seems he is just obsessed with Germany. He likes that German musician also. Who's that?
Not just a musician, Rammstein.
And what about that psychedelic trance band? Are they also Germans?
Those are Israelis. But Israelis carry the character of German soil. Not a big difference.
So this makes sense. I remember how upset you were when the Germans lost the football cup.
One more point. Why I love Germany. They don't play cricket. You see, even history tells, Mom, that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose sought alliance with Germany in his bid to free India. And they happily helped him.
That is all right, but Mahatma Gandhi fought here on Indian soil and we won our independence.
What do you call winning, Mom? Country divided in 2 parts. You get my point, Pops? It's just not winning. You see Germany? They emerged like a phoenix, taken 2 world wars on their face. There is something about that soil, something in that genes. I salute them. Germany, here I come.
I don't think it's you talking, I think it's the German wine that is talking. And I think you better talk to Gita.
Gita. Dad, Lord Krishna recited the Gita to Arjuna on battlefield. This Arjuna has got to tell something to Gita. What makes you so confused, yaar? See, you know me, my ideas about career. I've made clear beforehand, I'm going to Germany. That's final.
I know, but I thought you'll change. I thought your viewpoints will change once you join the corporate world. I thought you'll understand the importance of MBA.
Before joining company, I used to call them morons born to advertise. But now my impression has changed a bit. I now call them morally burnt out asses. You see, there is no scope as such. They're nothing but salesmen. Yeah, pure salesmen. The stinking competition going on in the companies, it sucks. And for nothing, they are given more importance than the research people. Totally unfair.
But my father wants an MBA from America or England.
Let me tell you, ma'am, Both these countries are exploiting people. Nothing else.
Listen, I know your viewpoint about MBA, America or England. I've heard all this in college debates. But I'm going to England.
Yet another reason to hate MBA. See? It's taking away my love too.
I'm sorry, Arjun. I cannot go against my family. That's our Indian culture.
Culture. See? You don't have any explanation to offer. So, all the best to you. Take care. Take care.
Bye, son. Take care. I'm very worried about you. Look after yourself.
So Arjun, nice to see you back home. And by the way, who is this beautiful lady with you?
This is Natasha, returning from the research center. A very good friend of mine. And remember the world-class research center I mentioned?
Yeah.
So we'll be collaborating on that. We'll be having all the Indo-German facilities, Indo-German technologies. It's a good venture. And let's see how long this partnership
That's
lasts.
great. Beautiful, good, good. I'm impressed.